I know you might be on the market right now looking for your next property. If you are thinking about moving down here to South Florida, look no further. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the most beautiful, luxurious property that you can find right here in Boynton Beach, located in Canyon Isles. But before I get started, I must say thank you to the listing agent, Marta Cicorelli, for allowing me this opportunity to show you guys this beautiful home. This house features 5-bedroom, 3 full bath, roughly 3,800 square feet total, and 2,994 under air. My name is Peterson Simon. I'm a local realtor with Coldwell Banker in Palm Beach County. It has recently been remodeled. Everything inside of it is brand new. So if you are looking for new construction, even though this home was built in 2006, it feels like a new home, right? Everything about it is brand new. Welcome to your house, your casa. This house has recently been remodeled, like I mentioned to you guys. The fan, brand new fan. The windows are not hurricane impact. The living room is very spacious. Plenty of room for you to set up your furniture, TVs. The interiors were not replaced. Other than that, this property has been completely remodeled. Come with me, let me take you guys over to the kitchen, man. You guys won't believe this. This is your dining room right here. Plenty of space for you to set up the house however you like it. The countertops are quartzite, which is a very hard metamorphic rock originated from sandstone. Guys, I know a lot of you guys, especially if you love cooking, this will be your sanctuary, especially for the ladies out here. I know you guys will spend the majority of the time here prepping. Can you imagine yourself here early in the morning cooking breakfast for your kid, your husband? Like this house, the tenant that were in here, they moved out back in March. So after that, they have remodeled this home. The refrigerator, it's nice. Look at it, guys. Got your climate zone. Got your dishwasher right here, which is also brand new, never used. The brand is Cafe. Brand new stove also. It's never been used, you know. Same brand, Cafe. The countertop is just, oh my God, really nice, nicely made. And one thing you would not have to worry about is places for you to store your food. There's a lot of cabinets here. Before I take you guys upstairs to look at the master suite and the other bedrooms, let me take you guys outside real quick to see. You have a patio with a lake view. Just imagine spending your summertime here, outside, outdoor, with your kids, cooking, grilling. You have the lake view here. You can do anything you want here. Just imagine coming out here to take a nice breath, fresh air, relaxing. Let me go ahead and take you guys back inside. Now we are about to go see the bedrooms, the master suite. Show them the floor, man. Vinyl flooring, you know, everything is just nice. Like I mentioned to you, this house is just lovely. For the price, you would not see anything like it for this price. And in this subdivision right here, this is the only house that has been remodeled where no one has lived in it yet. I'm going to take you guys upstairs so that way I can show you guys the primary suite and the guest bedroom. Upstairs we have 4-bedroom, 2-bath. The primary suite is upstairs, followed by 3 guest room. Now, this right here is your AC unit. Brand new AC. leading to your first guest room. Got your closet space right here. Yeah, you won't believe what I have for you guys next. I know it's a surprise. I've been thinking about it. Should I do it or should I not? But a little birdie telling me to take you guys to the primary master suite. Come with me, right? You have like a hallway style where you have two full closet, his and hers, one on the left, one on the right. And like I mentioned earlier, this house has been remodeled, guys. Everything is brand new. The doors are brand new. The vinyl tile is brand new. I know you all have been waiting for this. Look, before I get started, if you are still watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you guys can stay updated whenever we drop more content like this. Come with me. As you walk into the main master suite shower, to my right, you have the master bathroom toilet. Shower room, glass door. It has been remodeled, right? Meaning no one has showered in here yet. You might be the first lucky person to shower in this lovely home. One question I get asked a lot, especially when I'm showing property to couples, they want to have dual vanities to speed up time, right? Just imagine. Now, this shower room right here, we have two vanities, his and hers. Look at this, just a beauty. And we have a bathtub right here, lovely bathtub. Just imagine you coming home from work, busy day, come here with a glass of wine, relaxing. Or if you don't want to do that, you could just come here, you know, wash up, you know, do whatever you got to do. You know, I don't want to throw shots at anybody. All right, so now it's time for me to show you guys the guest bedrooms. Now, this is the second bathroom. Not too many times you'll see a house where like the laundry room is almost as big as the bedroom. Look at this lovely home. Samsung appliances, brand new. Never been used. As you come out the laundry room, you have more storage area for you to place your personal items such as towels, clothes, whatever. Now let me show you guys the second guest bedroom, which can also be used as a storage, kids playroom, office. Now, to the right of it is the other guest room, which is big. Now, this is a room. The other one is still a room, but this is just a beautiful room. You got your closet space right here. Just big. And as you guys know, this property also has 2-car garage. Now, let me take you guys downstairs to see the final guest room and the garage space area. And I did mention that it has 3 full baths, right? So far I've showed you guys 2 baths upstairs, 1 in the master suite. They have a full bath downstairs. Let me take you guys, come with me. Now, this is the bedroom. This can be used as a mother-in-law room, the kids playing, or if you want to use it as your office, it can be. As you're coming out the room, you have your bathroom right here. This house also has 2-car garage. You might be thinking what this subdivision has to offer. Let me tell you, there is a basketball court. The clubhouse has a fitness center for you to enjoy with your family. If you don't feel like going to the gym, you can literally go to the fitness center to work out. Internet is also included in the HOA. There's a picnic area for you to enjoy with your family and friends. There's a playground for your kiddies, and there's a pool also for you to enjoy some family time during the summer. The great thing about this community, Canyon Isles, it's located within walking distance from Sunset Elementary School and soon to be open Sunset Palms Middle School for your kiddies. Now guys, if you did enjoy this video, this property tour, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, let me know what you would like to see in my next one.